he was holding his phone and he had this look on his face like he just got gut kicked. He's like, and I said, "You all right, bud?" And he goes, "I think I just won." I was like, "What do you mean?" He goes, "I think I just won."
And then I went,
"Get on the internet."
Then I went, "No way." Holy shit. It's amazing. Wow. This thing's beautiful. Alright, that's comfy. Oh my God. This is awesome. My name is Brandon McGinnis, and I just won this 68 Dodge Charger and $20,000 from RestoMods.com. And I was middle of work, and then the phone rang, and like everything, gloves flying through there, running to get to the phone.
He's been showing me pictures of this exact car and color since he was about 14.
About 14?
Yeah, 14, 15.
How are you guys gonna get this car home?
We're just gonna drive it 6.5 hours home.
6.5, I like
like-
he's already got it clocked out. He's got
Yep.
it.
It's like what, 400 and something miles?
Yeah. There's one little funny story when he came back into the office at the shop after he got done talking to you. He was holding his phone and he had this look on his face like he just got gut kicked. He's like, and I said, "You all right, bud?" And he goes, "I think I just won." I was like, "What do you mean?" He goes, "I think I just won."
And then I went,
"Get on the internet."
Then I went, "No way."
And it was just, at that point, it just blew up in the office because we watched we rewinded the live feed and watched it again, and then everybody was just going crazy. And he was hugging everybody in the office, and he was just floating around on the floor, wasn't even touching the ground, and it was pretty epic.
Yeah.
So what are you gonna do with this car?
I'm gonna just keep it and drive it.
Yeah?
Then probably when my son goes to like his prom or something, I'll be like, "Here, take it for the night. Don't come back if you crash it."
It's just epic how the car is exactly what he has been wanting for so long. It's just perfect.
Yeah. And when was the first time you saw RestoMods or heard about us or signed up?
I think I saw it on Facebook for the RM3, the Mustang.
Yeah.
And I was like, "That's a pretty cool Mustang." And so I tried for that one, and then it just kind of kept going, and then like I didn't see a bunch of videos for a while, and then other ones would pop up with different cars, and some of them were like, "Well, that's cool," but I got bills, and then when this one came up, it was like, why not? What's the worst that could happen?
What's the best?
Yeah, what's the best gonna happen? Your dream car, you got to put in on that one.
My name is Brandon McGinnis, and I just won this 68 Charger from RestoMods.com.